Hello everyone. Now what I've recently got is the Guinness Draught Nitrosurge from Tesco's, which I got for 30 quid, and the pack of 4 Guinness Nitrosurge cans were £8 each. Well, £8 for a pack of 4. And I've got a Guinness pint glass there to show you, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how I pour. Well, I'm going to show you how I pour the Guinness Draught Nitrosurge into the glass. Well, it's just a demonstration video. So that's the Nitrosurge device that you put on top of the cans. That's the bottom of it. And in here you've got there's instructions on how to use a Nitrosurge device, and got the USB charging cable. You got the cleaning brush, and you got the nozzle, which is what I need. And just bear with me a minute whilst I mount the camera somewhere so I can show you the attachment of the nozzle. There we go. So there's the nozzle. It's got the position to. It's got the lock and unlock symbol on there. So how you attach the nozzle, I think you do it just there, and then you turn it to lock it. And there you go. There's the nozzle attached onto the Nitrosurge device itself. I've mounted the camera on the box just so I can show you. So what you do now is, I think you just open up the Guinness Nitrosurge can. There's instructions on there on how to pour the pint. So what you do is to slowly open the can. Now the Guinness in there will be flat because obviously it's the Nitrosurge device that would nitronate it. And what you have to do is make sure the nozzle end is on top of the open can end, and then just attach it on there like so. There you go. And then you just turn on the button. The heart will light up, and it should only last for about 60 seconds. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pause it so I can mount the camera, just so I can show you pouring the pint, because I'm going to need both hands for this. Right then, here we go. Once the harp's lit. I think you can hear the device working. Let's put it very carefully. There we go, it's going through. 45-degree angle. There we go, just let it settle for about a minute. As you can see, there's all that surged Guinness. Comes up all cloudy when it's poured. And as you can see, the harp has turned off because it does go off after 60 seconds. And I'm just going to turn it back on again. Is it fully settled? Nearly. And I think I'll just pour the rest into it. You can hear that surging noise as you pour the Guinness through the nozzle. There you go, you've got a really creamy head. Oh. Let's hope I don't spill it. There we go, look at that really creamy head. Oh, it's gone off again. I've never used one of these before, so might not be the best. There you go. Cheers. Perfect. But it probably does take a lot of practice to use the Nitrosurge device if you've never used it before. And you've got to keep an eye on the heart, because when the light goes off, you probably need to turn it back on again. Well, actually, before I go, I'm gonna do it again. I'm gonna do it again because I think I've did it a little bit wrong. The first time, because I read the instructions, it's apparently meant to pour it 3/4 of the way through and then let it settle and then pour the rest into it. So I'm gonna try again. Just gonna turn on the button. There you go, harp's lit. There we go, just let it settle. That's about 3/4 of the way through. Harp's just gone off. Let's turn it back on again. There we go. There we go. But as I said before I said bye for now. it takes a lot of practice to do this. But when you do turn it on, there you go, harp lights up. But when you turn it off, there you go, the light is off. And there's that USB plug just there, socket actually, but there's a cap on there just to protect it when you wash it. There we go, look at that. I think the pint is fully settled. Cheers. I think I've done it better than the last one. But as I said, it does take a bit of practice using a Nitrosurge device if you've never used it before. But it does taste like what you'd expect in a pub still when you pour the Guinness Nitrosurge. But now what I'm going to say is thank you for watching my video, and I'll see you all later. Bye for now.